Yeah, shoot, we gone. Stop, we good. Stop, chill, we on. Chill, scale, let's go. Let's go. Domingo, let's go. Take, let's go. Set, let's roll. Straightening, yeah, straightening.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. So today's tutorial was, y'all, it was not going right. Like, in the end it turned out good, but I'm telling you, the eyeshadow, I was not liking it. Y'all gonna see me make so many faces in this video. Y'all gonna see me like, no, I want to start over. But I'm telling y'all, I kept going. I kept trying to be like, okay, it's gonna come out good. I've been doing my face good and my brows so good that I just be like, it don't even matter about the eyes. But honestly, everything just came together and I love it. I was going to spray this on my face. This milk spray. I might spray it on my face right now. Matter of fact, let me do that. So you'll see in the beginning of the video. This is the Hydro Grip. I did want to spray it, but I guess. I want y'all to keep watching this video, so keep on watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the outro.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Okay, y'all. So as I was saying, I'm taking my Makeup Addiction from the Love palette. They always have some pretty browns in here. I'm taking this shade called Brownie. This is the darkest color in this palette because I wanted to pair it with this. I think it's like a orangey type shade. I don't know, but anyways, always before you even go in and you already have base applied and you've been looking up, always pat it out. If y'all don't know that, if y'all don't know anything else, know that, okay? Oh, that's what I meant to say. And you done put eyeshadow on there and then you're like, oh my god, I put eyeshadow on here and I can't blend it out. No, you don't do that. So save time. Work smarter and not harder. Then we'll take that brush, which is the Makeup Addiction shade of brush. So that is also from her line as well. That shade is right, of course. So I'm just basically tapping this. I am going to tap this all the way to the front. I want to do a halo look, but then, like I said, every time it's my week to go out, I always do a look, and y'all already know that I be having to go. So I do want to make some B-roll so that I can show y'all some places to go, food to try, if I can make it out there on time. That's the thing. We trying to make it sound like it's just. I want to take this Maxi Luxe brush. It's a 406. I just want to see how this is going to look before I apply the color on this side. And then I'm going to my Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette. This palette is open. And I'm going to grab, let me see if my hook is right there. I'm going to take this color right here. It's called Cocoa. I'm going to put this on top. I feel like when you add darker transitions and then put that pretty brown or the color on top, it just looks so good. Okay. It's taking me somewhere. So that's the two colors we have right here. I usually apply 3 colors, but I don't know, for some reason, just lately, I'm like, okay, let me just apply 2. And I like how the brow bone is like left untouched. So I'm gonna take a blending brush right there and kind of smooth it out. But I still have to go back in and blend these 2 colors together. So I'm gonna do the other off camera and I'm gonna come right back. This is how it came out. I'm still gonna go back in and deepen up the brown, and then if I need to go back in with the second shade, I will. But right now I'm just about to go back into the brown shade on my MAC 221 brush, and we're about to deepen this up, baby. we gonna see. So I'm just basically deepening this up. You know, staying low because I'm doing a non-cut crease. I took a 506 brush from Morphe. Let me get it right. Let me take this. Yeah, this is it. I just basically took it on the edges and kind of like buffed it out to kind of blend it in. And I'm just basically going back and forth till I get the desired look that I want before I apply this base shade. Okay, so to open this crease, to open this lid up, I'm going to take my P. Louise base, same one, and I'm going to dot this. I'm going to dot this on my lid, both, like almost the tiniest amount. And I don't go up all the way because what's going to do is going to spray anyway. So I'm taking my 1.2 because of the buffer brush, and I'm just going to stay low but also go up at the same time, creating this lid that I want. Because like I said, you can go back in, you can add the colors, but I'm just making sure it's all blended. Yeah, it's all blended. That's how you blend it out. And I'm gonna do the same for this eye, and I'm gonna come back right back when it's time to apply the lid shade. So I know exactly where. Going back into that Carnival 3 palette, I think I'm gonna grab this shade called Sand, which is that orange peach color right there, and I'm gonna put this on my lid. 3 palette, 353 palette. I'm gonna grab this new shade right there. I'm just gonna pack this on. It's not even like a nude. It's like a orange nude. Okay. So ugly. I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this, but this is one of the most stressful tutorials I've ever been through. Trying to do this wing from this and like it's just. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna add, but I just know that I want my face to be bomb. She's giving. Yeah, I hate this too. This little applicator, I don't like it. Yeah, that applicator just blew me though. But whatever. None of this is coming out. I want to. Besides the brows. I'm trying some different ones other than these. Let's come back. There's one thing I forgot to mention. I got this Tatcha water cream. And I want to try it. So I'm gonna try it. I think I'm gonna moisturize my face with this. It's this one right here. Be able to wash my hands too. So. Moisturizer is really it for me. This one's so good. So my face routine is the same. I'm not really gonna go over it. I'm just going to do it so we can get to the under eye. Finish my face. Like I said, everything that I use will be in the description. I really love because most of the stuff that I use is already, I use it all the time. So it's like redundant. So I won't show that part necessarily. I'm gonna take my LA Girl Ultimate Eye Intense Stay Coat and I'm gonna put this on my waterline. It's definitely a drugstore pencil. Bomb. I wish I would have known about this one. I think that's what was different. Me just putting mascara under my eye, which made it look real pretty. So I just let the eye be what it is and leave the bottom soft. So I'm gonna dust some powder off just a little bit right there. Not in it. Well, I'm gonna add this mose at. James Charles probably has white, so I'll take that. Okay. Remember I told y'all I got that gold liner. And I'll just basically put it right in the inner part of my eyes. Okay, as for lips, I'm taking Lush Lasting Brown from LA Girl Intense Alcohol. As far as lips, I always do the same thing. So I'm gonna do Nude and Glide 47. Those the color Sand. So this is my favorite gold lipstick of all time. It's Luna. And then in the center, I'm taking Tip Beat lip gloss. Okay, this look really did turn out to be cute. Like, okay, it's giving something. I don't know, but it's giving something. What it is, face, eyebrows gonna stay B. Okay, I'm telling y'all. Once y'all face that, the shadow, it really don't even matter at this point. Okay, it's gonna be wrong. You just gotta perfect it. Make sure you perfect the eyebrows, the face first, especially the eyebrows. Once those stand out, even if the eyeshadow ugly, it don't even matter. I'm gonna take this down and I'm gonna wet it, and I'm gonna come right back. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next tutorial.